How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Today we're working on the 2017 Nissan NV 200, and I had no luck finding these doors at the junkyard, so we're probably gonna have to order them from the dealer. If you do have any leads, my email is in the description. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this rear bumper off and get the van on the frame. Stay tuned and let's get to work. All right, boys, so it did start raining on us outside. We got the van on the frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting these hinges off. And the only reason I'm cutting them off is because I can't really get a socket or anything on the hinge bolts right over here without putting any more damage on this quarter panel. So let's go ahead and cut these off, and then we can take the bumper off. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got both doors, the bumper and our tail light off. The work area is all prepped and ready to go. And once I got everything disassembled, there's a little bit more damage on the inside, but you know what? We could take care of all this. Nissan did come out with a genius idea by slapping a little vent on both sides. So we got plenty of room to knock that quarter panel section all out. But before I get started on that, I do have to give it a quick pull. And since there's not really a good attaching point anywhere in here, I'm gonna go ahead and grind all this down and weld a little bracket right over here and work my way up, get all this pulled out and dialed in. So let's keep moving. All right, boys, so the plate's now welded. I know I slipped up not covering up the interior when I was welding, but the post is all hooked up. Let's go ahead and give it our first pull. What's up, guys? Next day here, and we're gonna continue working on the van. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull this door track off. Hopefully we can get away with leaving that door on. Anyways, there's a lot more damage on this quarter panel that you can't really get from the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this paint off and get our stud welder and weld some nails on and get all this pulled out. So stay tuned and let's get to rolling. All right, boys, so we got the door track off. If anyone's wondering, there's just 5 10 mil bolts on the inside with 2 clips. And then there is a Phillips hiding in the front. You can't forget that one. But we got the door hinge off without having to take the door off. There's just 3 bolts on the door side right over here. We got it all taped off so we don't open it being in a rush. But now let's go ahead and jump on with the grinder and take some of this paint off. Alright, you guys, that's a wrap for this episode. I really wanted to get some body filler on this quarter panel section, but there is some other business I have to take care of this evening, so we're just going to call it an early day. I know there's going to be some of you that are not going to agree with this repair, but we had to do what we had to do, and I think it's going to come out really slick and smooth in the next episode, so stay tuned for that. With all that said, thank you guys for all the love and support, and if you are new on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to be the first to watch my videos. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link is in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.